Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to do the charging test and the temperature test while charging the POCO X3 device. As you can see friends, so this is a POCO X3 device, and recently I did see a lot of comments regarding the phone getting heat while charging. So right now I decided to do this kind of test. I've been using the phone POCO X3 for the past 150 days friends. It's been very long journey with this POCO X3, particularly this phone. I did so many videos. I think I did upload close to 270 videos, I think so, on the POCO X3 alone. So after using more than the extreme testing on this POCO X3 friends, so this is a review which I'll be doing today, so which is a charging test. So I'll try to charge my phone using the same 33-watt fast charger which came along with the box, and even I'm trying to use the same cable, so which is kind of red cable. As you can see, I'm using same charger and same cable which came with the box. So let's see friends whether my phone will be heating or not. So first thing is that even those comments I did see the try to do the charging test when the phone is in on mode. So most of the comments were asked like this, not in the switch off mode, phone is in the on mode. So that is where the heating is happening for the POCO X3 device. So there's a couple of battery draining issues as well in this POCO X3 after the update. So make sure to check the recent uploaded video friends on how to fix the battery draining problem. So try to watch that video. Maybe this video might be helping you to fix the battery draining issues, I think so. But let's see what is happening with this temperature with this phone of the POCO X3 while charging. So I'll try to record the temperatures while 30 minutes, 1 hour and full charge. So right now I'm not using any AC friends, so nothing is turned on. So even the room temperature is pretty normal average. So no aircon is on at the moment. As you can see, everything is normal, 26 and 23 degrees only. So right now the phone temperature is about 28 29 degrees. As you can clearly see, front and back 30 degrees. So right now the phone is in on, but the battery percentage is kind of close to 3% only. As you can see, 3%. So I thought of doing the charging test when the battery is below 5%. So that's why I decided to do this kind of testing. So now let's connect the charger and let's test the temperature test. And it is a stopwatch which is ready in this phone. So in case if you want to download this live wallpaper, so make sure to check the links in description friends. So now it is a charger, and let me try to connect the charger. And let me try to close the screen so you know exactly I'm using the 33-watt fast charger by the message which says that stopwatch has been started. As you can see, MI turbo charger. So if you see this kind of MI turbo charger, that means I'm using exactly 33-watt fast charging in this phone. So let's see friends, how much temperature can be increasing in my device. I did not test before while charging like this, but even this kind of new to me. So right now I'll get to know what's happening with this POCO X3 in terms of the heating issues. So is it really there or not? So right now you can see friends, it's been close to 30 minutes of continuously charging the POCO X3 device. The battery increased to 58%, and I can definitely feel the heat on the phone as well. So as you can see, 37 degrees it got increased starting from the 30 degrees in the beginning. On the back side, 38 degrees. As you can see, as I said, there's a kind of heat going on exactly this particular area. I did see the difference of heat. 38 degrees of heat is there at the moment. So let me try to quickly write down the battery percentage of 58%, and let me even write down the temperature reading as well. Temperature is of 38 degrees. So these are test results for the first 30 minutes, as you can see friends. So again I'll be back after 1 more hour. So let's see in the 1 hour how much the phone can actually charge, and the temperature, how much it can actually reach. But right now, before starting the video, if you notice, I did check the temperature. It was around 30 degrees. So right now it's 38 degrees. So overall it increased by 8 degrees in the first 30 minutes only. So that's the thing, in the beginning, in the initial times, we do see the phones getting kind of heat in terms of the fast charging. So later on it will try to decrease. So let's see friends, after 1 hour will it be the same, or will it the battery temperature also increases with the time or not? So we'll get to know in this kind of video. As you can see friends, it's been exactly 1 hour of charging the POCO X3 device, and finally the battery got charged to the 95% in the first 1 hour. And let me quickly show you the temperature reading, how much it is right now. As you can see, 35 degrees on the front side. I think it's tried to decrease the temperature. So maximum I did see about 38 degrees. So that is the maximum temperature it got recorded in my POCO X3 device in my unit. And during this time I did not connect any kind of Wi-Fi or any mobile data, so that is another thing to notice here. So temperature reading is about 35 degrees at the moment right now in my device. So again, I'll be back once the phone gets fully charged, so we'll get to know how is the charging speed even after using for 150 days of this POCO X3 device. So just in case if you are new to this POCO X3 smartphone, you'll get to know how is the experience as well. So as you can see friends, finally after 1 hour and 10 minutes the battery got fully charged in this POCO X3 device. So 1 hour and 10 minutes. So it took about, I think, close to 70 minutes of time to charge the phone. So this is after the 150 days of testing this POCO X3 device. And overall, by the end of the charging, the temperature was a little bit kind of cooled down to 33 degrees. So overall, it's not that kind of heat is going on in my particular unit. Maybe I'm not using any kind of Wi-Fi or mobile data. That may be the another reason, I would say, definitely maybe. But do let me in the comments below, friends, what are your thoughts about this kind of testings and how much temperature you're seeing in your phone as well. So thank you for watching this video, and stay tuned friends for more updates. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.